Tortang Uyap is like the underdog of Filipino cuisine. It's humble, unapologetically simple, yet packs an insane umami punch that will make your taste buds do the happy dance. Every bite feels like a flavor bomb of comfort food. So what is Tortang Uyap? It's basically an omelette made with uyap, tiny fermented shrimp that bring a salty, funky richness to the dish. Think of it as a savory twist to a traditional omelette, but with all the Filipino soul in it. First, you'll need a few key ingredients. Eggs, obviously, uyap, onions, garlic, and some seasoning. That's it. No fancy 20-ingredient grocery list, just a handful of stuff you probably already have or can snag for under $10. Eggs are the MVP here. Start by cracking 4 large ones into a mixing bowl. Whisk them until foamy, creating air pockets for a fluffier texture. Pro tip, add a teaspoon of water to make it even softer. Thank me later. Now, uyap is where people get intimidated. Don't be. It smells a bit intense at first, like the ocean on steroids, but once it's cooked, it mellows into this savory goodness. Just rinse off any excess brine beforehand. Sauté your aromatics, onions and garlic, until they're golden and fragrant. This is where the magic begins. The goal is to layer flavor, turning this simple dish into something crave-worthy. Don't rush this step. Patience is your best friend. Add the uyap into the pan and cook for a minute or two. You'll notice this nutty, toasty aroma wafting up. That's your cue to move on. Overcooking it can make the uyap chewy, and no one likes that. Pour your whisked eggs over the sautéed mix. Use a spatula to gently fold the sides as it cooks, creating a nice fluffy texture. Think less scrambled eggs, more structured omelette. It's like making a frittata, but easier. Got a sticking issue? Here's a hack. Preheat your pan with enough oil to coat the bottom evenly before adding anything. Nothing ruins a Tortang Uyap vibe faster than a mangled omelette stuck to the pan. Once the bottom is set and golden, carefully flip it over. Or don't. Just fold it in half like a taco if flipping isn't your thing. You want both sides lightly browned but not dry. Timing is everything. Serve it hot, preferably with steamed rice and a drizzle of calamansi or lemon juice. That citrus kick cuts through the richness like a pro, balancing out the entire dish. Bonus points if you add a side of spicy vinegar. The beauty of Tortang Uyap is its versatility. It can be a breakfast hero, a quick dinner solution, or even that nostalgic midnight snack after a long day. It's simple, it's soulful, and it's so underrated. So next time someone gives you a weird look for eating fermented shrimp at 8 a.m., just smile, because they don't know what they're missing out on. Tortang Uyap is truly a love letter to home-cooked Filipino food.